Hey guys, what's up? It's King Key and I'm back with another video. So as you can see, I'm barefaced as I don't know what. Check my nails. Like, I'm so ratchet, but I don't even care. But anyways, I'm barefaced because today I'm gonna be filming Get Ready With Me. So basically I'm going to do my makeup on camera. I'm probably gonna fast forward it and do a little talk over on it, and then I might show my outfit. I'm not really sure, but yeah, we just gonna get right into the makeup. I'm not gonna do so much talking. I'm not a pro at makeup, so I mean, if you want to use this video as a tutorial, that's on you, but I mean, it's just entertainment at this point. So yeah, we just gonna get straight into my makeup, and I'm gonna be showing y'all the products I use. So if you want to use those products, they will pop up on the screen as I use them, so you can go cop them. Alright, yeah, let's get right into it. I think I said it like 15,000 times, but I'm gonna say it one more, so let's get right into it. Alright, so right now I'm just brushing up my eyebrows using my Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 4.5 by Benefit. And I'm going to use that to line the bottom and top of my eyebrows. Now I'm going in with my Tarte Creaseless Concealer and a brush I got from ColourPop. It's an angled eyebrow brush. And I'm just going to use that to clean up my eyebrows because they're looking terrible. But after I clean them up, they're going to look a lot better. Alright, now I'm just using my Real Techniques beauty sponge. I already went and damped it, got it nice and wet, and I'm going to use that to blend out that concealer on the top and bottom of my eyebrows. Then I'm going in with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer to prime my lids and get ready for my eyeshadow. Blending it out with the same beauty sponge. Right now I'm looking for a palette because I'm not really sure what eye look I want to do, so I'm just trying to decide. And I decided to use the Morphe 9C palette, and I just got this eyeshadow brush from BH Cosmetics, not really sure the name of it, and I went in with that shade, you'll see it on the screen because I don't remember the name of it, but I used that first orange shade as a transition shade. And so I'm just doing both of my eyes and putting that into my crease. Then I went in with this chocolate shade, and I'm going to use a different eyeshadow brush and kind of put that on the corner and the deeper parts of my crease. And this is going to give my eye that definition that I want it to have, maybe some kind of depth, and create the crease that I'm trying to have, because I don't really have one since I have folded eyelids. Now I'm going to go in with that same creaseless concealer that I used to clean up my eyebrows in order to create a crease in that same brush. So I use a technique where I touch a part of my lid and then I look up to see where I need to go, and that kind of helps me when I cut my crease. I didn't realize I was out of the frame here, but I was looking into a mirror, and so you can't really see much of what I'm doing. You can see the top of my head. Sorry guys. But as you see, I'm just cutting that crease. Now I'm using my Sacha Buttercup to kind of set that so that it doesn't move or go anywhere. So I'm just using a little bit of that and a little flat brush to pat it on. And now I'm going into that Morphe palette again, into the shade Fool's Gold, and pat that all over my crease. I use some all-nighter setting spray by Urban Decay to kind of get it to stick. And I'm not brushing, I'm patting that gold shade all over that crease. And then I'm just going back in with the original transition shade I used to kind of make it pop a little more. And then that chocolate shade once again on the corners of my eyes to blend out that crease. Okay, so legs. Okay, so I went ahead and I finished my other eye. I don't know if you can see it with the lashes, and applied my lashes off camera because like y'all didn't need to see the other eye. You already saw the first one. And applying lashes for me is like a tedious process. You never know if it's gonna take 2 minutes or 20 minutes. Never know. Today it took 20 minutes, so yeah, I went ahead and saved y'all the agony of watching it and applied the lashes off camera. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and work on my face. So now I'm just using my Fenty Beauty primer to prime my face. I put that all over my face and I'm just gonna rub it out with my hands. I like this primer because I like the way it makes my skin feel. Wipe my eyebrow off a little bit. All right, now I'm going in with my Makeup Forever foundation, and the shade is not coming through, but I'll put it on the screen because I don't even know the shade myself. Something with a Y in front, but I'm just gonna put that all over my face, and I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques beauty sponge to blend that out. And now I'm going under my under eye with my Creaseless Concealer by Tarte once again. And I'm just gonna put that under my eye, above my lip, and under my other eye. And then blend out with the same beauty sponge by Real Techniques. Now that I've blended that out, I'm just going to use my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and my Real Techniques beauty sponge to apply all over where I put the concealer so that it doesn't crease. I'm going to let that bake for a little while, and I'm going to go in with my Swiss Chocolate by MAC. And this is actually a blush, but I like to use it for bronzer. And I'm going in with this big angle brush I got from BH Cosmetics to apply Also gonna contour my jawline because I have a fat face, so I want to give the appearance that my face is smaller. And creating some jawlines so I have more structure in my face and more color. And I'm also gonna go around the perimeter of my forehead because it's huge, as you can see. Excuse my ugly faces I make whenever I'm doing my makeup. Not used to doing this on camera, so the faces are gonna be hideous. All right, now I'm just gonna use this huge angled face brush that I got from Real Techniques. I was looking for the label on there, but I guess it wiped off from using it so much, and I'm just using it to dust off that powder, that setting powder. And then I'm going to just buff my face with the brush so that everything looks cohesive. Now I'm going to use my Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray to go ahead and set my face and get it ready to apply my highlighter. And now I'm using my Juvia's Place Royalty 2 highlighter. It's a loose powder and a little definitely goes a long way with this. I'm gonna use this Real Techniques angle brush that I got 1 year for Christmas to just apply that on my cheekbones. And then I'm also gonna apply a little bit on the tip of my nose and the tip of my Cupid's bow. I think that's what it's called. I like to use my finger to apply the highlighter to my nose because I feel like it makes it pop more, and I love having the tip of my nose just pop. So I like the way it looks when I use my finger. And I spilled some of my highlighter, so I'm just using that crayon case makeup wipe to wipe that off. It literally works wonders. So I ran out of memory on my memory card, so I had to do a little razzle dazzle, and I went back. So yeah. So now I'm just going in with my crayon case lip liner in the shade Bare, and I'm going to use that to line my lips. And then I'm going to use my crayon case lip gloss in the color Clean Kisses, and I'm going to apply that all over my lips. And we are done. That is the complete look. Alright, so this is the outfit that I went with. It's not that cold outside, so I got this like cropped sweater. It's off the shoulder. It's from Boohoo, a size large. And then I got these biker tights that are from Shein. And they're a size extra large. And then if that doesn't work out, then I'm probably gonna just throw on these black cargos that I got from Fashion Nova. So I'm not really sure yet. I'm gonna try both on, and then I'll come back when I decide. Alright, so this is the outfit that I went with. So it's just this black top And then I got these black cargo pants. Like I told y'all, go down a little bit.
Sorry, I didn't.
Girl, shut up. Got these black cargo pants from Fashion Nova, and then I got my little checkerboard Vans on. My little, you fake like this Chanel bag purse. And then I got my little gold necklace on, and it says 1996, cause you know, real Jesus was born in 1996. So yeah, that's a complete look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next one.